across the nation and culminating into today's function.
Ladies and gentlemen, behind every vision is a need for action. And that action hero is here, TBR Rao garu.
So our people not only fighters, they are writers also. And some of them, writing for the fighters is something different. That is Dandavaram Jadavul Pathak garu. Please come. Jadavul Pathak ji has written a book on 71 war heroes. So we feel proud of releasing his book on this occasion. Pathak sir, please come to the desk. And next, we have the souvenir for the function. I request Dr. M.S. Prasad to come up with the souvenir. M.S. Rao.
Next, I request another book by Wing Commander Krishnamurti. Rotor is by Wing Commander S.S. Krishnamurti. That is another book by the TBR, The Unstoppable by Sergeant Rao garu.
I humbly acknowledge, esteem, guest on the dais, AVM Sri V.K. Vishnoy Veerchakra, Air Marshal Sri Harish Masan Veerchakra VM, Air Marshal Sri V.N. Gokhale PVSM, AVSM, VM. Air Marshal Sri A.D. Joshi, PVSM, VM. Air Commando Sri K.C. Kurubilla, Veer Chakra. Air Commodore Sri Jayal Bhargav. Group Captain Sri D.K. Diggi. The fact that brave soldiers of Hyderabad have made a great contribution to the 1971 war as well. Second Lieutenant Vikram Ban, Appal Swami of City Nizam College was martyred on December 6, 1971. A barber sector of Rajasthan in an anti-tank mine blast. Vikram was just 23 years old when he was martyred. Swarnima Vijayvansh Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav fittingly remind us of valor, bravery and untold sacrifices of our brave soldiers like Colonel Santosh Babu and Second Lieutenant Vikram and great freedom fighters. We need to ensure the celebration of Swarnima Vijay Varsh and Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav become a national movement. We have to make our children believe the fact that nothing is more important than the nation. Nation first, selfie. I am indeed very happy to release the book, The Valiant Indian Air Forces 1971, and the event Savani is brought out on this occasion. The book depicts all personnel of Indian Air Force decorated with the bravery awards such as Paramveer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra and Veer Chakra. I wish the function a grand success. I am proud that I am presiding over this function. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, sir, for such great words, and thank you for your valuable time and covering all the aspects of Indian Air Force, and that really inspires us to do better, to do more for the nation. As we have been there as soldiers of Indian Army, we are there for nation, we will be there for nation, and we will continue to serve the nation while in service, after the service. So that's a great, nature of, Indian soldiers. We are a bit over the time. Excuse us due to there are a number of war heroes to honor, and we've tried to accommodate as much as possible from the books, launching our books and honoring. We try to honor as many as people, but we will continue to do that. Today we honor each one of the hero of Indo-Pak War, as well as we honor each one of amazing air veteran. Please keep patience. We will continue to do that, and we will try to accommodate time for every event what we planned for the day.
బయట చూడు బయట వచ్చింది ఇప్పుడు ఫోన్ వేసింది చదవండి ఫోన్ వస్తున్నాడు హలో సార్ ఒకసారి వెళ్ళాడా బయటకు వచ్చారంట మా మదరు ఒక్కసారి వెళ్ళారా ప్లీజ్ ప్లీజ్ లేదు ఒక్కసారి ఒక్క 5 minutes వెళ్ళారా ప్లీజ్
Sir, on this, just to remind, on this occasion, we try to, collect all the memories and call all the eminent contributors from the historical Indo-Pak war, the heroes, whoever had, their time, they spent their time to come all over Hyderabad, from all over India, and there are few certain people who could not come due to various reasons, but we will try to connect with them, and we will try to honor them whatever way is possible, and also from 8 veterans like myself, this program is planned a month ago. With a lot of participation and contributors from behind this program, we try to give all the information and communication to all the people all over India. And also there was one more important event which is started behind this program is Air Veterans web series. I guess most of people are aware of that. That is one of the significant what I can say program behind this idea, I would say. That was the idea which is started by few eminent people. Then the idea is turned to be this grand program today, and that idea is turned to Air Veterans Association, and which we think collectively we can take it forward. This is a beginning, and also we are going to launch a website, dedicated website of Air Veterans Association. Also there will be dedicated Facebook page, and also we have other digital pages which are coming up. So we plan to launch them today, but due to too many engagements we could not launch today, but we try to communicate. The Air Veteran Association registrations will be going to be online once we launch the website, and we try to see everything is visualized, streamlined. This is, as I mentioned, the beginning. We want to keep all the communication stream online, so that every program is up to date. And also everyone aware of there is a membership program is also going on, lifetime membership on different programs. If we are not able to connect, please your friends, you can talk to those guys, connect to this program, so that we continue to grow our strength.
Hello?
And we continue to show our strength. And as we come to our honorable guests close of the events, I request each one of you stand up for national anthem. Thank you, sir. I request each one of you to take your seats. Kapil Krishna Chaudhary. Dr. Mohan Rao.
Sergeant Ganji Nageshwar Rao, Siddha Samiti Yoga Master, JW Ramesh Babu, coach, commentator, Sergeant Arun R. Murugan, Director Mines, Sergeant A. Shankaran, Director Aero Nehru Institute of Engineering and Technology, Kapil Dharmaraj, Kapil Dr. Dharmaraj, Scientist F, Sergeant Dattatreya Utekar, Advocate, Director, Sergeant Professor Vital Pandre, Professor, JW Chinese, Home Department, Sergeant P. Bapoji, Assistant Labour Commissioner, Sergeant Dr. Govardhan, Principal, Engineering College, Kapil D. Konda Rajeshan, Dr. N. Vijayan, Principal, Gion Group of School, Best Teacher Awardee, if we miss any names, if we miss or miss any names, excuse us.